Welcome to my Mathcast. This Mathcast is intended for grade 3. The content for this Mathcast is to be able to form rectangles by tiling with unit squares to make arrays, and it is created by Mary Hughes. Let's go over a quick vocabulary review. We have learned in the past that a column is a vertical arrangement or list of objects or numbers. A row, on the other hand, is a horizontal arrangement or list of objects or numbers. So an array, which is what we're going to be talking about in this lesson, is an arrangement consisting of equal rows and equal columns. In these two examples, we are given two rectangles. In the first example, we are told that the area of this rectangle is 18 square centimeters. 1 square centimeter looks like this. And in this rectangle, we have 18 square centimeters arranged in an array. Remember that an array consists of equal rows and equal columns. We are also told that we have 3 equal rows. 1, 2, 3. And it wants us to construct a multiplication sentence explaining why the area is 18 square centimeters. So for the first example, all we're going to do is count the columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 rows, 6 columns, gives us 18 square centimeters. 18 square centimeters. In the second example, all we are given is that we have 3 centimeters, and the total area is 24 square centimeters. So how do we arrange 24 into 3 equal groups or equal rows using our square centimeters? You can draw in your square centimeters, and then you are able to count your rows. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 rows of 8 columns gives you the answer of 24 square centimeters, which is the area of this rectangle. Our next example reads, Mark has a total of 24 square inch tiles. I have drawn the tiles for you down below. He uses 18 square inch tiles to build one rectangular array. He uses the remaining square inch tiles to build a second rectangular array. Draw 2 arrays that Mark might have made. Then write your multiplication sentence for each. Pause the video and give it a try and see what you come up with. The 2 answers that I came up with are as follows. Using 18 square inch tiles, I have created this array. I have used 3 rows, and I have also made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns. So 3 rows times 6 columns gives you 18 square inches. Now we have used 18 of our 24 tiles. The second part of the problem said that he used the remaining square inch tiles to build a second rectangle. Well, 24 minus 18 gives you 6. So our second rectangle I've arranged as follows. 3 rows again, but this time I have only used 2 columns because 6 is all that we have. So 3 times 2 gives you 6 square inches. Thanks for watching.